it's so funny to be seeing you after so long, girl. From the way you look, I understand you were not impressed. I heard you let that little friend of mine take off your party dress. Not wanna get too sentimental like those other sticky valentines. And I don't know if you were loving somebody, I only know it isn't mine. Alison, I know this world is killing you. Oh, Alison, my aim is true. Well, I see you got a husband now. Did he leave your pretty fingers lying in the wedding cake? I heard you took him right by your hair, and it took all that he could take. Sometimes I wish that I could stop you from talking when I think about the silly things that you say. I think somebody better put out the big light, 'cause I can't stand to see you this way. Alison, I know this world is killing you. Oh, Alison, my baby.